Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make all the desktop icons unmovable in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you. You can see some icons on my respective desktop screen of my Windows computer. So we can just drag and change the positions anywhere we can place it. Right now we can move. So by default we'll not find anywhere there is a lock option to lock its position, right? Even when we click on the right click, that is, you can see here view, even there is no options to lock the desktop icons positions. So for this we need to rely on the third-party software. So just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application name as DexLock. As you can see, DexLock, and you will see a tons of websites, but I'll highly recommend to download it from the official websites. So you can see here dcmembers.com. this is the official website. Just click on it. So you can see it's official websites, and below here you can see a download options. Just click on download. So just start downloading this application. So the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close the web browser. So it's a zip file, so just double click it to extract this file. So finally we'll see a folder named as DexLock. Just open it. So here you will see a tons of files, right? So here you can see DexLock. So this is a exe file, so you don't need to install this software. Just double click it to run the software. So below you can see here in the tray icon it appear. So just right click on it. So by default it's enabled already, right? So you can click on the settings to see what are the options available under the settings. You can see by default it is lock icon, disable, right mouse button, start disable, show class, lots of options. So here you can set a shortcut key also with your computer keyboard, but I will keep it as it is. Now let us drag the icons of our desktop. So let me try to drag. So now I'm unable to drag the icons, so they're locked now. Even if I right click on this, the right click option or the context menu has been disabled by this application. So if you want the right click option, then just head over to the settings of this applications and you can just disable this right mouse click button if you want the right click options to work on your respective desktop screen. So this is how you can make all the desktop icons unmovable in any Windows computer using this free of cost software named as DexLock. So if you want to enable it again, you can just exit this applications, and now let us check. Now you can drag the icons again. So if you never known about this cool applications, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.